In this video, we'll be covering how to organically post your Waymark video to Facebook. Whether you're looking to post from a personal page, group, or business page, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. Once you're logged in, click What's on Your Mind for a personal or group page, or Create Post for a business page. Next, click the photo video icon and choose your Waymark video file from your computer. Depending on which page you're posting from, you may see some different options here. The main thing to know is that this step is where you can write your caption and select your audience. The broader the better when it comes to sharing your posts, so make sure you've selected Public View. If you're posting to a business page, you can click Video Options for more customized details, like choosing a thumbnail, adding tags, and giving your video a title. Once you've got your details added, click Post and you're done. Facebook will process your video and let you know when it's ready to view by sending you a notification.